Children, see, are you all are there? Yes. You see here the first page of this book which is shown here. Yes, the page of this. Which is this subject? Can anyone guess which is this subject? Yes, it is EVS. What it is? EVS. And EVS, what do we learn? Okay, what we have learnt for all these days in EVS subject, what we have learnt? Can anyone answer? Yes, very good. We have learnt parts of the body. What else? We have learnt my family, the members of the family, and very good, fruits names. We have learnt fruits names. So we have covered so far 3 chapters into EVS subject, and today we are going to revise once again all these 3 chapters. So you will take first chapter. It's my family. My family. See here. This is your family. Here there are different pictures. See here. Yes. So we have different members into our family, and thus all the members together makes a complete family. All the members when comes together makes a complete family, and the family consists of, see here, grandmother. This is grandmother, and here is your grandfather. This is the grandfather. This is father. This is father. And when you come here, this is your mother. So you have already grandmother, grandfather, father and mother. Now here there are 2. One is a girl and one is boy. So we have to see among them whom we are. If you are a boy, so this is your sister, or if you are a girl, this is your brother, or if you have no sister, have only a brother, or you have only a sister, then we can just name them as they are. So the grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, brother and sister makes a complete family. The chapter 2 consists of parts of the body. The second chapter is parts of the body. And here is one girl. You see, here is one girl showing the different parts of the bodies are mentioned here. See, this is head. What it is? Head. And what is this? Hair. Very good. What is this? Ear. Say this. Eyes. Very good. Chin. Teeth. And this is called mouth. Mouth is open. Ah. It's mouth. Now when you come down, this is your arm. This is your hand. These are your fingers. See, small fingers. And how many fingers are in each hand? Count your fingers of your one hand. Yes, see my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have 5 fingers in my one hand. So both the hands I have 10 fingers. How many? 10 fingers. And see here, this is the stomach. What is this? Stomach. Very good. What is this? Leg. And what do you do with this? You walk. And with hands, what you do? Yes, we eat the food, we wash our hands with water, we play the ball. Yes. Now we will turn to another chapter, that is the third chapter, fruits names. The different fruits that we eat during our food time. See, can anyone say the fruits names? Well done. Apple. What else? Banana. Mango. Grapes. Very good. What else? Orange. No, papita I also said last time. It's papaya. In English you have to say papaya. What else? Pineapple. See here, what is this? Watermelon. Very good. Yes, guava. Say guava. No amrud. Guava. See, one more fruit is here. Pomegranate. Say pomegranate. So far we have learned the 3 chapters and you have to do your oral. When you see the different pictures of my family or the parts of the body or the fruits names, you have to recognize which fruit or which part of the body is there. So you have to know the color, the fruit name, the names of the parts of a body in English. Yes, in English, not in Hindi. So you will revise all these 3 chapters. See you.